there, good people. Dane Starkey here, welcoming you to yet another training module. For the record, this one is more important than most. Today we'll be talking about how to frame project ideas. So, let's get started. Let's go ahead and discuss why, when, and how to use a SWOT analysis. It's a very popular tool, and we're going to use it to thoroughly understand and assess our business environment. SWOT is an acronym that stands for Strength, Weakness, Opportunity, and Threat. This template features two SWOT tables. With the first table, you can do an analysis of the entire organization. That's step one. With the second table, you can do an analysis for your department, team, or yourself. That's step two. Now, on to the good stuff. Right away, you'll notice that the SWOT makes you address both internal factors and external factors. Your company's strong points and weak points are your internal factors, and your opportunity points and your threat points are your external factors. Each grouping then consists of a positive factor and a negative factor. So your strengths and your opportunities are your positives, your weaknesses and your threats are your negatives. Also, in each quadrant, you're going to want to address the million-dollar question. So for strengths, how are you going to utilize your strengths? For weaknesses, how are you going to convert your weaknesses into strengths? For opportunities, how can you convert your opportunities into strengths? And for your threats, how can you convert your threats into opportunities? Your answers will become project ideas, which will then give you direction for your project selection process. By the way, you're going to want to do this with your team. After your SWOT analysis of the organization, go ahead and do the same analysis toward your department or yourself. At that time, refer to the first analysis results to gain inspiration from that table. This will help you discover direction on the second table. Once again, you're going to want to do this with your team.